did it, guys. We got a super rare outrage gear ZYGARDE. This was unexpected, so I'm using my other phone to record this video. Happy about this, kind of. Let's try it out, guys. Yo, 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 this is Sword, also known as SPO Gum, also known as Facial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest seems Grunt. This is Pokemon number 1. Got this from a rare Fairy type 1. Let's try it out. Upgrading this. Transferring this for the meantime. Level 5, guys. Summon move gauge is at max when the stage starts. Awesome. Not sure if you guys can hear my voice, but let's do it again. Let's try it out. Here we go. Ooh, so strong. If I'm not mistaken, you need 5 to fully charge that. Is it? And I like how wide the attack is. Oh wait, mistake. Yay, so strong. Try it out again, guys. One more ZYGARDE. So there are 6 in front. Yeah, I think you need 6. Or 5. Yeah, you need 6, guys. how the attack starts small and then expands to a larger size. And I'm on the road right now. And that's it. Thank you so much for giving me an outrage gear this island, because I didn't get any summon gears or super rare summon gears in the past island. I barely leveled my tri-attack type null gear to level 10, but it's good, it's strong, it's stronger than the others by raw attack power, because I think it's normal type and they wanted it to kind of, I don't know, how do I even show you? Is there no attack power? Wait, non-upgradable. So guys, it's 1286 tri-attack gear compared to our normal level 5 super rares or level 10 rares. It's kind of stronger, but I was hoping to get Sil Valley, so no. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video.